So a co-op for us is investing in the youth in the community and reaping the benefits that we've grown these kids the way we need them. And it's been beneficial, and they will be a huge part of our success in the future.
I come from a school shop, like, I don't know what I'm doing at all, but everyone there's like very understanding, like taught me everything. Like, it's just been really good there.
We found out last year that we were having a need for hiring. One way we wanted to do this was we reached out to Southern High School to tap into some of the young talent that they have in machining. Because I graduated from Southern in 1988, and that was the first place I wanted to try, and I had luck doing so. And so we had a project over the summer that we were behind in, and we had 5 co-ops from Southern come in and help us with the necessary things in the assembly area that allowed us to deliver on time by the end of the summer.
I've learned a lot there in terms of being a machinist and in terms of work ethic and what I need to do to be a good employee and to have a career.
They saw that me and Jaden were disciplined enough to work here, so they moved us to the machining area, and we got a lot of hands-on work with CNC machines, even some manual machines there.
It's a risk, and we certainly had that concern. The program at Southern, how they're preparing the kids, has been phenomenal, and they've reduced that risk amazingly because they come in and they're good qualified kids, they're good character kids, and it eliminated that whole risk for us. They are preparing them as exactly like we would want to see.
CEPEDA is great because the work environment's awesome. Everybody there is really nice, and they all helped us out when we first got there. They showed us what to do until we got our bearings, and then they kind of set us on our own in the assembly.
They sent me over with Wesley, and he taught me step by step on how to use every single button and every single switch on it. He even brought me over to how they do the programming for the CNC. And every day he would teach me something new, and he'd let me try it. He'd show me, demonstrate, and then let me try it.
And then from there, we built that apprenticeship program where they're going to learn and get a journeyman card. And that's going to represent more money for them. And that's going to be beneficial for us because some of our older welders are going to be retiring soon, and we're developing that pipeline through them to come through and in 2 or 3 years be journeyman machinists for us.
My plans afterwards are to start the apprenticeship that they're starting there.
This is a thing we look to do years ahead, where each year we're going to be reaching out to Southern looking for students, qualified people that they're producing out there, and bring them in and get them on board and send the same pathway, maybe through assembly to machining, into engineering, and continue that pipeline.